Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing the band of your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Turn the watch so that it is facing downwards, and then slide the band's spring bar inwards, and pull the watch strap away from the watch. To replace the strap, place one side of the spring bar into the watch's lug, then slide the spring bar inward and slide the other side of the strap into place. Give the strap a gentle tug to make sure it is properly attached before you wear it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.